Kristian Kolman, and I'm violin and viola teacher in Celje School of Music. I've done many running courses about music technology for teachers. I'm also active as the secretary of the Slovenian branch of ESTA and ESTA Central Board member. Previous research on the use of information and communication technology in educational process has largely been concerned with the use and storage of digital resources and less with the support of learning activities. So I will focus on the activity-oriented blended learning using multimedia technology as a combination of offline, traditional learning face-to-face, and online learning. We are often faced with the problem how to demonstrate and explain the learning contents using computer-assisted tutoring tool for independent learning. It can be effectively solved with appropriate design of learning material and multimedia integration in learning process to provide a credible feedback. The visualization of oral information using computer-assisted musical instrument tutoring tool Match My Sound is available online and as a plugin in MOODLE learning management system. This multimedia tool, developed by Kristo Kai and his colleagues, is based on technology, music information retrieval. It can establish an effective online training to independently evaluate students' performance of playing the instrument through auditory analytical perception of feedback. Let's see how Match My Sound evaluate scale playing on the violin and provide augmented feedback to the student. The score diagram displays duration, pitch and rhythm. The functionality of teaching tool Match My Sound is simple for students' use from the early beginning, and students are encouraged to enhance practicing with the gamification and to achieve higher level of metacognition and self-regulation. The theoretical basis for the use of multimedia technology in learning process is provided by cognitive theory of multimedia learning, developed by Dr. Richard Mayer with his colleagues. The theory explains how linking different modalities is important for successful learning. The theory assumes that the human cognitive system includes dual channels for visual and auditory perception and processing of information. Both channels have limited capacities, but they can operate simultaneously and do not reduce performance mutually. To encourage teachers to move up from lower to higher levels of teaching with technology, several reference models have been designed. I took the 4 levels of the summer model: substitution, augmentation, modification and redefinition, developed by Dr. Ruben Pentadura, to measure and define how technology is impacting on my current strength teaching. In substitution, digital technology is only replacing analog technology. The replacement does not result in any functional change. When in augmentation, it is employed in a functional way to augment the learning task. In modification, technology is used to significantly redesign a learning task. At redefinition level, technology is used to transform and create new learning tasks that otherwise could not be created. Having in mind the characteristics of the human cognitive system, I can confirm that Match My Sound integration successfully covers all 4 levels of the summer model. My students are provided with ICT activity learning on all phases of learning process, at school, at home practice, or at any remote online location. Thank you for your attention.